Guys, we got a 2017 Kia Optima here. It's got a 2.0. We're doing an oil change. If you're ever curious what kind of oil it takes, look on top of your lid. Most of them say it. This is a 520. It's going to hold 4.27 quarts. So let's get up underneath here. This big hole here is your oil filter. That one there is your oil drain. That's a 17 millimeter. We've already drained the oil and we've loosened the filter, so we're in the process of pulling the filter now. We're going to pull the old filter out. Now this filter is a S2808. I'll get you a link in the description below for it. Before you put the new filter on, put some of this old oil around the seal, get it up there and tighten it up. And you're going to top it off with 4.27 quarts. Make sure you run it for about 5 seconds and then check your oil and make sure that you have enough oil in it. And again, I'll put the link in the description below. So I hope this helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.